Amazon is now considered to be the world's largest online retailer. Amazon had almost 38% of the US e-commerce market share in 2022 and 2023, and this number will continue growing as more people opt for the convenience of online shopping. If you're a brand looking to upload and promote your products on Amazon, partnering with Amazon influencers is an incredibly effective way to reach a vast audience. This practice is attracting the interest of tons of brands who want to promote themselves through Amazon's storefront pages, as partnering with the right storefront can help you promote your products and expand the reach of your brand. Collaborating with influencers is the perfect package to be successful. For most industries, finding Amazon influencers isn't as simple as searching directly on the site. Instead, you need to discover storefronts through their associated social media pages by using the right hashtags. Let's explore the basics and the steps you'll need to follow to find the Amazon influencers who are a good fit for your brand. First things come first. What is an Amazon influencer? An Amazon influencer is a content creator who promotes products through Amazon's own influencer program. With the program, influencers apply to be Amazon content creators, and once approved, they are provided with their own affiliate link. They can then use this link to earn commission from the purchase of products that they promote. They also get their own Amazon storefront where they can promote the products of the brands that they are affiliated with. Keep in mind that there are many types of influencers on Amazon, including macro and micro influencers. So whatever your budget or target audience is, you can find the best fit for your brand. How to find Amazon influencer storefronts. As a brand, finding Amazon influencer storefronts that align with your products can be challenging. These storefronts aren't easily discoverable through Amazon's platform alone. Instead, influencers promote them through their social media profiles, and that means you usually need to search for these influencers on sites like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube before you can locate their storefront. It's also true that some storefronts can be found through Amazon, but these are usually featured stores or those selling prime products. Either way, it's always a good idea to check out on Amazon influencers' social media profiles to find out what their performance and engagement metrics are like and if they are a good fit for you. And you also need to make sure that their audience aligns with your target market. Let's go through the process of finding an Amazon storefront step by step. 1. Go to the Amazon homepage and click on the main navigation icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down and click on See All. 2. Click on the hashtag Found It on Amazon to find a list of added photos that have been tagged from influencer collections and favorite products. Select specific product categories to narrow your search. 3. Click on the category that corresponds to the products that you want to promote. 4. Search for Amazon influencer storefront posts that seem relevant to the products that you want to promote. 5. Click on the name of the Amazon influencer that catches your attention. Then take a look at their Amazon influencer storefront to see if it's a good fit for your brand. Another option is finding an Amazon storefront through Instagram. That way, you can get a feel for their personality, brand values, and audience. You can also evaluate their influencer metrics to make sure they have the right level of engagement and the right audience for your products. And the perfect way to find them is by using the right hashtags. Here on screen, you can see some of the hashtags that you can use to find Amazon influencers, from hashtag Amazon Finds to hashtag Found It on Amazon. Finally, make sure the Amazon influencer is a good fit for your brand. So once you've found them, you need to thoroughly investigate them to be sure they will effectively promote your products. And Influencity can help with that. With Influencity's influencer marketing platform, you can search through over 170 million profiles using filters such as brand affinity and hashtags. By opening their profiles directly from the search results page, you can read their bios and get a feel for their values, experience, content types, and achievements. You can also view a range of metrics to see their performance over time and if they are reaching your target audience. This saves you valuable time so that you can find the best Amazon influencer storefronts to promote your products and increase your ROI. It can become a substitute for the Amazon homepage and using hashtags on Instagram to find influencers. You'll have it all in one single platform. So, if you are interested in checking out Influencity, then you can access a free trial in the link in the description below or by clicking on the screen. You can also watch this video next on how to contact Instagram influencers. See you soon!